Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete search suggestion on Instagram when typing. So first thing you have to do is open up your Instagram app just like this, and you look below your screen. You can see the search bar. Click on the search bar and you go to where it says search with Meta AI, and you can see all the things I recently searched about. So this is how yours is supposed to look like. So afterwards you can see all right here. Click on see all, and afterwards you're going to see a lot of more searches if you have a lot, but I don't have a lot. So next thing you have to do is click on clear all right here. Click on that and it's going to clear all, and maybe you did yours and it didn't clear, or the search actually do affect the suggestion. All you need to do is just take a screenshot of this page like this, and you go back to your main page and you click on your profile right below. Click on those three horizontal lines right there, and you're going to scroll down all the way down to help. Right, so you click on help and you wait. You can see report problem. You click on that and you can see shake your phone, and you can also see reports about abuse, spam, and the rest of that. You can just click on report problem, click on that and you wait for it. Click on include and continue, and briefly you're going to have to upload. You can see mine have been. You can just quickly upload the screenshot you took, right? So afterwards you're going to say, please help me delete all my search suggestions, and you click on send, and it's going to take about 24 hours for Instagram to actually respond to you. So about when they respond, everything is going to be fixed and perfect for you. If you find this guide helpful, give the thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.